We're in today with the AMD FirePro W7000. This is a 2012 video card with 1280 shaders. It's got 4 GB of VRAM, GDDR5, 950 MHz on the core clock and 1200 MHz on the memory clock. It's got 256 bits bus width, DirectX 11 support, and today we're gonna pair it up with this E5-2699V4 with 22 cores and 22 threads with hyperthreading disabled. This is a fantastic video card considering the age and what specs it's got. I think the best thing we can do, jump in a couple of games and see how it holds. Let's go. Let's start with Fortnite on DirectX 11 today with low details. I got 100% render scale. The game looks fantastic. I got a nice MS here with this video card. Got some glitches here and there, but I'm guessing because this 2012 video card, you know. I got new drivers for the video card. It's very interesting to see the performance how it is with this, you know. It's got 4 GB of VRAM, only 1.8 GB of VRAM I'm using in this case, but it's maximum load on the video card. 266 watts consumption from the wall with this computer. The system doesn't have any problem. 30% load on the CPU with 38 degrees. I mean, the temperature on the CPU dictates how it's working, you know, the system, and it's doing a fantastic job. There is no problem on the system side. The only problem I have is this GPU that is, I mean, 12 years old video card and it's still running. Look at this. Nearly 2 GB of VRAM utilization. Now, if it's running like this with DirectX 11, imagine performance mode, how it's running. In this case, there's a lot of options, you know. If you're interested on playing Fortnite with DirectX 11 with a video card like this, there's a lot of options you can put, like more details and try to saturate that VRAM. You get more details, but you get less performance and it's not worth it, you know. Fortnite is doing the job, so I cannot complain on this situation. If we're jumping in Battlefield 4 with this video card and this system, you can actually see how he's doing a fantastic job. I got high details on 1080p with this video card and on 100% load. He's doing a fantastic job. 74 degrees on the video card with 99% load on this course GPU. 2.5 GB of VRAM utilization with, you need to understand that I got high details in this situation. 60-70 FPS apparently for a video card like this on high details is not that bad, you know. If you want to play this game with this video card, it's possible. Look how many people are on this map, seriously. Everybody shooting something and throwing something. It's so cool to see this amount of people playing this game. If we're jumping in Dota 2 with this video card with maximum details, actually let me check out. I think it looks like maximum details, seriously. Oh, it's not maximum. It's best looking. It's good looking. This is not best looking. This is good looking. Okay, I'll take the good looking. Seriously, it's a very good quality in this situation. I see the video card maxed out on this occasion with 70 FPS on average. This is gonna be very heavy on the video card. 1.7 GB of VRAM utilization, 11 GB of system RAM utilized here. 55 FPS, 60 FPS. What the heck is going on in this situation? With this video card in a team fight, look at this. I got like between 40 and 60 FPS, but it's holding pretty well with that amount of VRAM. I'm not gonna lie, this is not the best experience. I will put it maybe to okay in the middle, you know, on the slider, and I think that will be the most important thing ever, you know, to have this computer running as fast as possible. In this situation, I will take this video card and I will put it maybe to low to medium details. That's it, in order to get more FPS and put the stress on the CPU side. But if we're jumping in Farlight with this video card, I put medium details, I put HD, and I think I can go even HDR in this situation. That is around medium quality. If you're interested on actually going with performance mode, you got smooth and balance, and high quality and extreme or something like that if you want to max out this video card. But I don't want to max out the video card because I already got 80 degrees, 99% load on the video card with 1.7 GB of VRAM utilization. That is a good performance, but I'm not utilizing this video card at maximum because look at this, it's barely utilized, you know. It's doing the job, there's no problem, but in some cases there's not a lot of how shall I say, complaining to do here with 160 FPS, you know. I'm nearly 300 watts consumption, so that means the video card is put at wall, I mean at maximum performance. When I have 80 degrees on a video card like this, that means yeah, it's doing the job. So there is nothing I can put now, seriously, because at this stage I think this video card is it's at maximum. So everything that I put above this, it's only making the video card run slower. So if I balance the performance around 100 fps, 130 fps, 150, I think this is a good performance overall, so there is nothing to complain. This game is doing the job, so in this case I will take this as a big win because it's a fantastic performance. Let's jump into PUBG with 1080p with very low quality. You can actually see it's holding pretty well with 70, 80 FPS on average. Seriously, I like it. 2.6 gig of VRAM utilization, maximum core load, not like in Farlight with 170 FPS with 81 degrees. Apparently high FPS, it's heating up your video card, seriously, and it's not funny. Let's see how it's holding here. Look at that. Nice performance. I can actually feel the low quality here in the game. It's holding pretty well. There's not a lot of problem. In some cases it's reaching even 80 FPS. So one thing I do appreciate about a game like this is that there is a possibility to actually play the game. Even on this low details, it's doing the job. In this situation, the system is utilizing 11.4 gig of system RAM. Overall performance in PUBG, it's good with this video card. There is a possibility to put just a little, you know, on the render scale or a little quality, but not a lot, because apparently it's going to lag. You're on the limit, you know. With 80 FPS, if you put one more step on the quality, you will get 60 or below, and I don't want that. The frame time is good, 12 ms. That means if it's under 20, then I will consider this performance actually good. But if we're jumping in Crossout with 1080p with medium details, you're gonna see that the game is doing a fantastic job on utilizing this video card with maximum load on the core of the video card and 1.8 gig of VRAM utilization. It's utilizing the computer, it's utilizing the video card, everything is being utilized here, and I don't regret nothing on when it comes to this game. Seriously, it's a fantastic performance to see from a computer like this, you know. This is awesome and I like it. Oh no, I'm gonna die here. Let's try again one more game in order to see if it's loading up the VRAM. I got nearly 2 gig of VRAM utilization, 265 watts consumption from the computer. I would say it's a decent performance, you know. It's not that bad. On the computer side, I got 8.3 gig of system RAM being utilized. That's actually good. What the fuck was that? On medium details, not performance mode, it's holding pretty well the video card, you know. I will take this performance if I want to play the game all day. 80 FPS is not okay. Maybe I'll put it to low details, because in this game you need how should I say, a lot of FPS, because I will definitely like to put this game on the display port, and if I have display port, this will be a fantastic performance from the video card. For Thunder on medium details with 1080p, 3.1 gig of VRAM utilization, maximum load on the core. The temperature is good, but I think it's gonna heat up the video card this game. Medium details doesn't look that good because of the shadows on the tongue. I'm not gonna judge, because if it's giving me the FPS, I don't care. 120 FPS, considering the age of the video card, considering the price you can get a video card like this, you know, it's got 4 gig of VRAM available on the video card with this age. I would say this is decent, you know. 69 degrees, 3.1 gig of VRAM utilization, and yeah, I like it. I mean, the whole performance here is fantastic with this video card. There is no problem on actually utilizing in majority of the game when it comes to free to play on Steam. There's a lot of people here in this type of games, you know, and if you want to play with an older video card, there is a possibility here. Let me show you what I have here, because it's very interesting. Everything is high here, and I think I can load up a little the video card with this performance, with this quality that I have here. I think this is going to be very interesting to see how it's holding. Only one thing I'm interested in the VRAM, and trying to see how much I can fill it up, you know. I know the core is maxed out. I know that I'm not gonna get a lot of FPS. My choice will have been low details, I mean normal details with DirectX 10, and then I will be able to enjoy the game. But at the same time, I do try to find out how much the video card can be pushed, you know, but in some situation you can see that the quality, it's dragging down the performance. Here it's under 60 fps, you know, so if it's under 60 fps, even the frame time is gonna be near 20, and if it's reaching 20, then you're gonna see that it's very hard on the key, very hard on the mouse, you know. It's got a lot of lag, you know. I don't like it, seriously. 270 watts consumption from this. I mean, the game is doing a fantastic job, you know, on utilizing the hardware, but definitely look at the VRAM. 3.1 gig of VRAM soon, and to be fair, that's actually good. If you're driving super fast through the city, you can actually see that the video card is holding nearly 60 fps, and it's kind of cool. 2012 video card apparently with 4 gig of VRAM today. It's very interesting. One, because a 2012 video card on eBay or on whatever shopping website you go needs to be cheap. On eBay, when I was looking last time, I seen this video card between 40 and 50 pounds, and it's a very decent price for a video card that has 4 gig of VRAM. Awesome option if you're interested to play a couple of games that allows you to put higher detail. Majority of the time when I'm playing a game, I'm putting low settings, low details and stuff like that to get as many FPS as possible. Plus, considering this video card is got a lot of display ports in the back, maybe I can benefit from that, you know, and I will get that high FPS to my monitor. Why do you have a high refresh rate monitor and you don't have a proper GPU? It's a very valid question, you know, but regardless, you have a high refresh monitor and a video card like this, it's possible for you to play a couple of lighter titles, you know, that are on Steam. I like the overall performance this video card is offering because of the price. Is very affordable. It's got some very interesting specs and options in the back of the video card. So all in all, the video card is capable of delivering some nice entertainment. But if you do have some suggestion for this video card or for the system, leave a comment and I will see you very soon.